Moving towards the second method, which is zip and the split function, which gets combined by the list comprehension. So what does this statement means is for every element in our list j, for every I in our zip, it's going to split our list elements. So what this zip is going to do is it's going to map the average similar kind of the index so that it can be used as the single identity. After splitting, that means in our arguments, this is perhaps passed. So after the splitting, it gets split by from the backward as well as from the forward. So it gets split up and it is having this similar index. So it's going to be sorted in such a way that it's going to have a single entity for their own itself, and after that we are going to store those values in the another list, which is list 2, and then we are going to have an output.